Hello everyone. In this video I am sharing small cursive writing M to Z. Okay, so same manner, start from here. Third line, this sign. Okay, it's very mandatory for cursive writing. First you learn this sign. Okay, so here I am writing M. How to write M? First go up. Here go up, come down. Here go up, come down, again go up. Okay, here come down, go up and touch the blue line. M, N in same manner. Okay, straight line here and again last M. Okay, and touch the blue line. Fine. Next is O. O is also start like this and take turn like this. See, first make half C, then come, take round, and last one is O and touch the blue line. O. Next is P. Go up here like this in 4 lines. Here come and go up. And at last P and touch the blue line. P. Now Q. Same manner here. Make C. Okay. Now go up. Make C go up. Last here go up and fine. R. R is very interesting. Like this. Same like this. Round. Here round and this. Here go up. R. S, little bit difficult but make practice. Slant. Again here and take round like this. Okay, go up and touch this. Here S. Okay, T like this. Same line. Okay, like L. Here touch the blue line. T. U. Start from third line. Here, then come. Here go up and this simple U. Go up and come this U. V. And like you make slanting line. Here like this V. Okay, now W. How to make W? Same. Slant. One slant. Here. Okay, W. Now X. Here, same. Come. Here like this. Here go up like this. And here like this. And touch the blue line. X. Okay, Y. Y is last 3 lines like this. Here go up and make like U and at last go up and touch the blue line. So there is no space for Z. I am writing here Z. Okay, so same like manner Z. go up, go up, round, curve. Okay, now here go up and this like 3 number. Okay, go up and touch the blue line. So in this way you learn small cursive writing M to Z. There is 2 videos. First video A to L. In this video M to Z small cursive writing. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.